This is a grapefruit. They were once called the forbidden fruit. This fruit is a hybrid of a sweet orange and a pomelo. Grapefruits grow on trees and in clusters like grapes, hence the name grapefruit. Grapefruit originate from Barbados and are a great source of vitamin C. Also, the official fruit of Texas is the Texas red grapefruit. Do you like how they taste? Me personally, I don't. Drop your thoughts down in the comment section below. That was the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos about this stuff. God bless, repent, and turn to Christ.